Hi, welcome to Kaulinya Institute for Competitive Studies. Today's topic is about deforestation, the result of human greed. So, in this topic, we have to cover what is meant by deforestation and what are the effects of deforestation, and also what are the measurements that is taken by the government to protect about this deforestation. And also we have heard about some movements like chipko movements and apico movements, like what are the different movements they have taken place to protect the trees. So that points also you have to quote under this deforestation. And also what are the measurements to be taken for the deforestation. So all the different points I have covered in this essay. Please go through the entire essay and make a notes. So forest, you have to write something about introduction about forest. So what is meant by forest? Forest are the important part of all living creatures on the earth. A forest is defined as a large area of land covered with trees and other vegetations cover. These are a huge source of oxygen and have direct and indirect impact on our ecosystem. Forests cover almost 31% of the world's total land area, but nowadays humans are destroying these precious forest cover at a large scale. This widespread destruction of forests is termed as deforestation. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. So we are like depending on the environment. So in one or the other ways, like ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 31% ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್, so we are destroying the forest. So we have to protect this. So what are the measurements they have to take in place? So that points have covered in this particular essay. The UN Food and Agricultural Organization, that is FAO, has defined deforestation as a conversion of forest to another use of land, a long-term reduction of tree canopy cover below the 10% threshold. So in other words, deforestation is a permanent destruction of forest in order to make land available for other uses. So next is about the causes of deforestation. So on what factors we are doing the deforestation. So we have different points like agriculture or mining or we are degrading the plants. So we have different causes of deforestation. So what are the different causes of deforestation? There are a number of causes like deforestation from which the human activities are greatly responsible. Some of the major causes are given here. So what are the major causes? Like agriculture? According to the report by UNFCCC, that is United National Nation Framework Conversion on Climate Change, agriculture is one of the primary cause of deforestation. This can be linked to increasing population and shrinking space available for human. Among different types of agriculture, subsistence agriculture is responsible for 48% of the forest destruction. So commercial agriculture is responsible for 32% of deforestation, and logging is responsible for 14% of degradation. Next factor is about urbanization and industrialization. So deforestation is also caused by rapid rate of urbanization and industrialization. So this can also be attributed to rising population globally. Large areas of dense forest are cut down to clear spaces for urban development and setting up industries. So this results in the loss of forest cover. In 2015, the government of India has passed compensatory afforestation bill to manage funds which were allocated for diverting the forest land for non-forest purposes. Next uses is like for factor is about commercial use. Another major cause of deforestation is the economical significance. Like we are taking the plants for our uses like furnitures, industries. We are depending on the trees. Like this is also the major cause of deforestation. Like it's an economical significance attached with forest product trees like sal, teak, sesamum, etc. Provide a valuable timber forest wood are used mainly for construction purposes, furniture industry, newsprint and stationery, etc. So sports equipments, etc. Cutting down forest for commercial use in different industries is a lucrative business. Mining. So what does mean by mining? It is a very destructive human activity which destroyed a large area of forest cover. It also causes many environmental impact like erosion, formation of sinkholes, loss of biodiversity and contamination of soil, groundwater and surface water by chemicals from mining processes. Increase in population. With the rise in population, there is a greater need for land to meet the demands of food and housing. Forests are cleared indiscriminately. So land cleared for agriculture and settlements is the biggest cause of depleting forest cover all over the world. So we have seen what are the factors that is responsible for deforestation. So what is the effect of deforestation here? So there are many effects of deforestation which has directly or indirectly affect us. Some of effects of deforestation are like impact on global climate. The most adverse effect of deforestation is global warming and global change. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere and use it for to produce food. In return, it gives off oxygen. Deforestation of the forest means will remain in the atmosphere, and in addition, destroyed vegetation will give off more stored in them as they decomposed. This will alter the climate of that region. Impact on water cycle hydrology is nothing but it's in hydrology. Another effect of deforestation on the biosphere is on water cycle. Reduced vegetation cover leads to loss of water from the ground and reduced evapotranspiration. Impact on biodiversity. Like deforestation also affects the biodiversity as a whole. The loss of vegetation leads to extinction of species which are reliant on forest cover. As forestation leads to deforestation leads to destruction of human like animal habitat. Wild animals starts trespassing human habitats, thus get brutally killed by humans. Zoonotic diseases are also caused due to the deforestation. Like in case of Western Ghats, restricted human activities in certain areas. So Western Ghats is one of the biological hotspots of the world's conservation has been supported by UNESCO. Like in case of Western Ghats, we have some areas so that in that areas all the activities are like banned. So why they have banned? Because to preserve the natural habitat. So what is the importance of forest? Forests are important in many ways. We depend on forests for our survival and our dependence on forest is due to their various usages. So what are the advantages of forest? So forest provides mainly oxygen. So we all know the plants we are giving oxygen and we are leaving the carbon dioxide. They take a carbon dioxide and do the process with the presence of sunlight and they gives the oxygen. So forests provide oxygen to all the living beings and also consume carbon dioxide, thus maintaining the delicate balance in nature. They also help in preventing global warming. They control climate and purify the atmosphere. They provide shelter to both tribal people as well as the wild animals. Forests prevent soil erosion. They reduce floods and rapid runoff of water by binding the soil intact with their root. They help to maintain the ecological balance and provide a water, food, and various other products. ಲೈಕ್ ಈಗ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡಿದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ದ ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಎರೋಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಸವೆತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಸವೆತ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಎರೋಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಆ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮಣ್ಣು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಿಡಿದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಮೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. If we done the deforestation, as usual, the become soil erosion takes place. Mitigation measure to control deforestation by the Indian government. To increase the trees and the forest cover in our country and to deal with the rising demands of deforestation, the government has introduced several initiatives. Some of the initiatives taken by the government are as follows. So the Indian government is introduced in an Indian Forest Act in 1927. It defines the procedures for declaring an area of a reserved forest and protected forest or a village forest by the state government. Reserved forests are those where hunting, grazing and felling of trees are banned in protected forest. These activities are regulated and permitted with some restriction. So they have passed the bill like in 1927. In that bill what they have told, some of the reserved forest places are there. So in that places all these activities like hunting, grazing, so all the activities are banned. Besides these, the Indian government has also established the Forest Survey of India, an organization under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The survey published the biennial State of Forest report. According to the latest report of 2019, India has a policy of keeping one-third of country's area under forest. At present, the Indian forest covers is about 21% of 67, like in Madhya Pradesh, has the largest forest cover in India, followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Maharashtra. So, in Madhya Pradesh, the forest cover area will be large. So, the mangrove covers is also increased in Indian coast. So people's participation in the conservation of forest is also needed. Like besides the government initiatives, the participation of peoples and local communities is essential to conserve forest resources. There are a number of socio-ecological movements that practiced the Gandhian methodology of satyagraha and non-violent resistance through the act of hugging trees to protect them from felling. In 1970s, Chipko movement started in Uttarakhand in India. Due to state policy, forest cover in these areas was reducing and the benefits was getting acquired to do the industrialists. Under the leadership of Chandra Prasad Bhatt and Sundarlal Bahugun, the Chipko movements took off. Due to their efforts, large swaths of forest cover was secured from deforestation. On the similar lines, Apiko movement was launched in 1983 by the villagers by district of Karnataka provinces by hugging the trees in Kalas forest to serve their forest areas. Another such movement was Silent Valley movement, which was started in 1973 by an NGO led to the school teachers and Kerala Satya Sahitra Parishad. It aimed to serve the Silent Valley from being flooded by hydroelectrical electric project in the Palakkonda district of Kerala. The Silent Valley is situated in Kerala. So conclusion, despite many governmental efforts, social initiatives, the analysis needs to be done in order to put an end to the menace of deforestation. Participatory efforts on part of community need to be initiated. Forests are an important part of our ecosystem. For sustainability and preserving the biodiversity of the earth, deforestation should be checked. Human greed has to be leads to disbalance in nature, and in extreme cases, many rising question on their own sustenance. It is therefore imperative that we make sustained efforts to secure forest cover. So this is about your deforestation essay. So I have covered all the important points. So make a notes of it and write and practice all these different points. So thank you and please subscribe our channel and share to your friends.